Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to Tips and Tricks with Tony on Tuesday. Sorry I've been gone for a while, but the market's been blazing hot and I've been super busy. But now we got some time to get back to some tips and some tricks. Today's real estate tip is going to be how often you should water your lawn and when should you do that. Now, everybody's lawn is probably turning gold like mine is right now because it's getting fried in our summer weather. There's a right way to water your lawn and there's wrong ways. I'm going to show you the right way. First of all, every lawn needs 1 to 2 inches of water a week to stay healthy and green. Well, how do you know with a sprinkler or your hose how you're getting 2 inches of water? This is what I do. I take an empty tuna can, of all things, and I put it in my yard and I turn my sprinkler on, let it go for 25 minutes, and then I go look at that can. If that can's filled up, I know that it's getting the proper 1 to 2 inches of water that it needs. You can turn it off after that. If you're not filling that can up, well, then you need to water it a little bit longer. Another misconception is people will water at night. Not good. You can get diseases and other issues onto that grass, which will kill it. You always want to do it in the morning in the cool air. Get it over with in the morning. 20 minutes once or twice a week. It's getting that water. That lawn will look good. And we all know when you're trying to sell your house or just live in it, we all love nice curb appeal. So another thing to keep in mind when you're watering on a hot day, some people will have their sprinklers going in the middle of the afternoon. Silly thing to do. You're going to lose 30% of that water in that sunlight. And sometimes it'll fry your grass even worse. So again, stick to the morning. You want to go 20 to 30 minutes, get your empty can of tuna to make sure that you have enough water for your lawn. And hopefully this will help keep your lawn green and healthy. Until next week, we'll see you later. Have a great week.